Hello, once again you're welcome to another series of Maths with Uncle Tony. In this series, we'll be looking at how to divide a decimal number by a single digit. And we have so many examples on the board. And we'll start with number 1. And number 1 question says 0.6 divided by 2. To divide this number is very simple in as much as you follow me step by step. Okay, now how many number can you see before the decimal point? We only have a number before the decimal point. So, like I told you before, count the number. We only have one number before the decimal point, which is it have one decimal place. Now, the next thing is to remove the decimal point. So, when we remove the decimal point, we will have 0.6 divided by 2. Now, having done this, now we move to the next third stage, which is the division stage. Okay. The first number by my left hand side is 0. So 0 divided by 2, it is equals to 0. We'll have 0. The next thing is to divide the next number. We pick the number one after the other. The next number we have here is 6. So 6 divided by 2, it will give us 3. It will give us 3. Okay, we need to return back our decimal points by counting from the same right hand side. Okay, we'll count. Remember, we have one decimal place, so we'll count it from the right hand side, which is 1. Then we'll return back our decimal point. So our answer is equal to 0.3. Now let's look at the second question, which is 0.08 divided by 2. Likewise, to divide this number is very simple. So let's count how many numbers can we see before our decimal point. Okay, let's count. From my right hand side, we have 1, we have 2, so we have 2 numbers before the decimal point. So we have 2 decimal place. So the next thing is to remove the decimal point from the number. So therefore we have 0.08 divided by 2. Okay, like I told you before, you pick the number one after the other, starting from the right hand side, starting from the left hand side. And the number on my left hand side is 0. 0 divided by 2, it will give us 0. The next number is the next 0. 0 divided by the same 2, it will give us 0. The next number is 8. 8 divided by 2, it will give us 4. It will give us 4. So the next thing is to return back our decimal point. And looking at it, we have 2 decimal places here. So we count from our right hand side, which is 1, 2. We return back our decimal point as boldly written as possible. So I would like you to try this one and send in your answer in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe, share to anybody that is finding it difficult to divide decimal numbers. Thank you and God bless you. Bye bye.